Tired of unreliable power supplies? Upgrade to FNRSI IPS3608. Hey makers, experimenters, and electroplating enthusiasts! Are you frustrated with power supplies that overheat, have noisy output, or lack precision? Then say goodbye to frustration and hello to the FNRSI IPS3608, the intelligent power supply designed for ultimate performance and reliability. This isn't your grandpa's power supply. The IPS3608 boasts intelligent cooling with a premium aluminum enclosure, ensuring stable operation even under heavy load. Experience ultra-low ripple precision thanks to high-quality MOSFETs and an LC filter. Get consistently perfect results every time. For electroplating, its accurate CCCV control guarantees uniform zinc deposition for reliable experiments. Forget fiddling with complicated settings. The IPS3608 features a bright 2.8 color screen with adjustable backlight and a wide viewing angle. 6 preset values let you save your favorite settings for one-touch operation. Switch seamlessly between light and dark modes to suit your workspace. Imagine consistent, reliable power, precise control, and effortless operation. That's the power of the FNRSI IPS3608. No more wasted materials, no more frustrating experiments gone wrong. But here's the deal. This level of precision and reliability doesn't come around often. We're offering a limited-time discount on the FNRSI IPS3608. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your workflow. Click the link in the description below to grab your FNRSI IPS3608 today. Upgrade your power, upgrade your results. Don't wait, this offer won't last forever.